Hey guys! In today's video, we'll be looking at 5 best vacuum cleaners that will totally amaze you. Don't skip it, watch all the way to the end. So, let's get started. Number 5. Shark NV352 Navigator Liftaway Upright Vacuum. Meet the Shark NV352 Navigator Liftaway Upright Vacuum, a lightweight upright vacuum designed for carpets, hard floors, stairs, and upholstery, with powerful suction and lift-away convenience. Priced at $121.49, it delivers strong cleaning performance, HEPA filtration, and versatile features at a great value for everyday home cleaning. Lift-away design: detach the pod easily for cleaning stairs, furniture, and hard-to-reach spots. HEPA filter plus anti-allergen technology helps trap dust and allergens inside the vacuum. Swivel steering makes it easy to move around furniture in tight corners. Multi-surface cleaning works well on carpets, hard floors, and upholstery. Lightweight build, easy to carry around the house. Included tools: comes with a wide upholstery tool and crevice tool for detailed cleaning. Pros: strong suction performance. Excellent on carpet and bare floors. Great for pet hair and dust pickup. HEPA filter helps reduce allergens. Lift-away mode adds extra versatility. Corded design limits movement compared with cordless vacuums. Can feel slightly bulky on stairs in full upright mode. No automatic cord rewind. Number 4. Shark Navigator Liftaway Deluxe NV360. Introducing the Shark Navigator Liftaway Deluxe NV360, a powerful upright vacuum built for deep cleaning carpets, hard floors, stairs, and upholstery with lift-away convenience. Priced at $187.99, this vacuum offers strong suction, HEPA filtration, and a large dust cup, making it a great value for homes that need powerful everyday cleaning. Lift-away functionality: detach the canister to clean stairs, furniture, and above-floor areas with ease. HEPA filter captures dust and allergens while keeping the air cleaner. Large dust cup capacity: clean longer with fewer emptying trips. Swivel steering: smooth movement around furniture in corners. Carpet and hard floor cleaning, designed to handle multiple surfaces effectively. Bonus tools included: comes with an upholstery tool and crevice tool for detailed cleaning jobs. Pros: powerful suction on carpets and hard floors. Large dust bin holds plenty of dirt. Lift-away mode is great for stairs and furniture. HEPA filtration helps trap allergens. Easy steering around tight spaces. Heavier than some stick vacuums. Corded design may limit mobility. Slightly louder during operation. Number 3. Bissell CleanView Swivel Pet Upright Vacuum 2252. Meet the Bissell CleanView Swivel Pet Upright Vacuum 2252, a powerful upright vacuum specially designed to handle pet hair, carpets, and everyday messes with ease. Priced at $119.99, it offers strong suction, pet-focused cleaning tools, and a large dirt tank, making it an excellent value for pet owners and busy households. Triple action brush roll loosens, lifts, and removes embedded pet hair from carpets and rugs. Swivel steering: easy to maneuver around furniture in tight corners. Scatter-free technology helps pick up dry debris on hard floors with less scatter. Edge-to-edge cleaning cleans along walls and corners more effectively. Large capacity dirt tank holds more dirt so you empty less often. Multi-cyclonic cleaning system maintains strong suction throughout cleaning. Pet-friendly design, great for homes with pets, fur, and daily shedding. Pros: excellent pet hair pickup performance. Strong suction on carpet and hard floors. Easy swivel steering for better control. Large dirt tank with easy empty design. Great value for the price. Corded design limits mobility compared to cordless models. A bit noisy during operation at around 80 dB. Hose reach could feel short for some above-floor cleaning tasks. Number 2. Shark Navigator Liftaway NV356E. Introducing the Shark Navigator Liftaway NV356E, a powerful upright vacuum designed for pet hair, carpets, hard floors, and above-floor cleaning with Shark's popular liftaway system. Priced at $199.99, it combines strong suction, HEPA filtration, and pet-focused accessories, making it a great premium option for pet owners and whole home cleaning. Pet Power Brush, great for removing pet hair from stairs, upholstery, and furniture. Lift-away detachable pod, easily lift away the canister for portable cleaning around the home. HEPA filter plus anti-allergen complete seal, traps 99.9% of dust and allergens inside the vacuum. Swivel steering, smooth control around furniture and tight spaces. Brush roll shutoff, switch between carpet and bare floor cleaning with ease. Large dust cup capacity, holds more dirt before needing to be emptied. Extra tools includes a Pet Power brush, dusting brush, and crevice tool for detailed cleaning. Pros: excellent pet hair pickup performance. Strong suction on carpet and hard floors. HEPA filtration helps reduce allergens. Lift-away feature is very versatile. Includes useful pet cleaning attachments. Long 5-year limited warranty. Slightly heavier than lightweight stick vacuums. Corded design limits range compared with cordless models. Can be a bit loud during operation. Number 1. Bissell CleanView Swivel Pet Upright Vacuum 2252. Meet the Bissell CleanView Swivel Pet Upright Vacuum 2252, a powerful upright vacuum made for pet hair, carpets, and everyday messes around your home. Priced at $119.99, it delivers strong suction, pet-friendly cleaning performance, and useful features at a budget-friendly price. Triple action brush roll, designed to loosen, lift, and remove embedded pet hair with ease. Swivel steering makes maneuvering around furniture and corners smooth and easy. Scatter-free technology helps clean hard floors with less debris scatter. Edge-to-edge cleaning reaches dirt along walls and edges more effectively. Large capacity dirt tank holds more dirt, so you empty it less often. Multi-cyclonic suction system maintains strong suction throughout cleaning. Multi-surface cleaning works well on carpets and hard floors. Pros: excellent for picking up pet hair. Strong suction on carpet and hard floors. Easy to control swivel steering. Large easy empty dirt tank. Great performance for the price. Corded design limits mobility. A bit noisy during use. Hose could be longer for above floor cleaning. Overall review. The Bissell CleanView Swivel Pet Upright Vacuum 2252 is a great affordable choice for pet owners. With powerful suction, easy steering, and strong pet hair pickup, it offers excellent value for everyday cleaning. Check the link in the description for the latest price and more details on the Bissell CleanView Swivel Pet Upright Vacuum 2252. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more product reviews.